come back. Ilang percent yung ano gate?
20.
Come nurse. Click gate. Fast. Defend now, defend. Come, click gate. Don't go out, click gate. Everyone click gate. Help the front, cleanse the front if you can. Keep cleansing the front.
Alina.
Yung lang, help Alina. Come in, everyone. Come in. Chill for now, yes. Wait. Do not go out, my D-tanks. Do not go out. Stay here. Just keep silence paddling the gate. On the gate again. East side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Nice shit. Now go back. Just go back. They're gonna full bash this. Go southwest. Click southwest.
May MB bombs
Click southwest. Southwest. Click southwest. I said click southwest. Defend now. Defend now. Click southwest now. Click southwest. And play
May MB ba?
inside
May MB ba?
the...
Neron.
Defend now. Defend. Play inside the Lord room, okay? Yo, help Absoldev. Come in. Heal Absoldev. Wait. On the gate again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Nice shit. Now come back. Come north. Then west. Northwest. Stay in my northwest side. Just stay on my northwest side. Hold. Defend on the front. Defend on Alina. Northwest now. Go northwest. Full northwest. Go to the Lord room. Go Lord room now. Go Lord room. Ano, wala pala akong iskap dun. Hold here. We're gonna play inside here. Help my front. Yo, come Lord room. I said come Lord room.
There's a bomb.
Come Lord room.
Nasa isa yung bomb nila.
Yeah, west side. Come west side. Lord room. Everyone, Lord room. Everyone. We're gonna play Lord room. They engage now. Southeast counter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything southeast.
They pushing.
Nice shit. Now spread Lord room. North of Lord room.
The holding east.
North of Lord room. Spread here.
Naging B na yung bomb.
Nasa south na
Naging B
yun,
yung bomb.
Yeah. Come west side. Spread west side.
West sila.
Careful. Wait. Wait. Defend now. Now inside us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything inside us. Everything here. Nice shit. Keep rolling. Spread here. Spread northwest.
Glacial west.
Spreading northwest. Spread. Keep spreading northwest. Just pull them in the Lord room. Don't go there. Don't get baited there. Yep.
Bomb
Careful.
nasa south ulit
Careful.
Probably hitting southwest.
Careful. Defend now.
Just fake.
That's fake. Wait. Let me fake again. I did not. Wait. Hold. Spread north. Defend now. Now go in them. Keep walking. Now inside us now. North side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on my club. Kill this people. Spread west again. Keep spreading west. Spread your Judies if you have. Spread west. Brawl west inside us. Keep spreading there. Pull them in. Careful. Let me fake. This is fake. Let me fake. Wait. Hold. Defend now. Inside us now. Wait. Hold. Defend. Inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Just hit north. Keep north. Keep spreading. Northeast. Keep spreading. Spread your Judies. Come southeast a bit. Keep spreading. Na-i-out natin to. Keep spreading. Come southeast. Then out.
Holy shit.
Last DA na ito. Ba't ang dami nila? Just run. Did sinabi ni Kipulis ang new one going there? Ilan last day nila dyan?
Hindi rin ako.
Patingin nga last day nila.
Day 12 daw, sabi niya sa ko. Huling kita niya.
Nag-14 sila, nag-14 pero
Kala ko
Nag-14.
kasi 5 lang. Biglang kakazone pala.
nag-trickle lang yung iba.
Yung in-scout ko rin, nag-heals ako. Imbes na mag-brim.
Na mag-dream. Umiba.
19 daw.
Day
Ryzen.
19.
Oo.
Eh. Wait lang, magpapa-ready check ako. If you still can regear, yeah, I can SMB. Magpa-ready check, baka may... If you want to go SMB, come gear up, we're going SMB.
For sure, rat lang yan.
Yes, just take SMB, may pang points na. Wasabi, not coming. What's your role, Wasabi? One hand arcane, okay, it's fine. Buy them. Wala kang kasama dun, ano? Saisho.
Sa,
Sa pag-scout.
yung iba naka
Ang laki pala.
82. Hindi ko alam kung may nag-brim. Nag-heals ako diretso kasi yun yung mas mabilis sa akin. Eh.
Tiga. Rigger. We're going B. Hold northeast. One and done again.
Reset OC ba? Yung naka-survive?
Yung naka-survive,
20 minutes.
double OC na kayo. Kung gusto niyo mag-reset, sure. Pero you can double OC.
Pwede natin ito makalaban rookies. Kung
Hmm.
SMB tayo, papunta sila.
Come fast. Hold northeast.
Mana na ako din
Mauna ka na. Thank you. Yun, papunta na rookies ha.